Welcome to Cambridge Motors, Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV, new shape, diamond cut alloys, privacy glass, keyless entry, keyless starting, rear camera, and a really nice red metallic. It's plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, so you don't have to charge it, but you can. This is what I'm saying, plug-in electric vehicle. That's a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. When you lock the vehicle, parking mirrors, this means it's keyless. Electric front windows, obviously, four electric windows, side airbags, leather seats, leather heated seats. You can see the heated buttons here. Isofix, unusual Isofix front seat, which is obviously a good thing. Here, a very important part, locking wheel nut key. All your handbooks and service manuals all there. Isofix rear seat. You've got 3 Isofix seats actually. Electronic tailgate, that's your camera there. Cavernous boot, luggage compartment cover, which will come off if you don't want it. Power outlet here. Here you have your, this is your battery here, and lead needs putting back in it. We have a lead for the vehicle which has got to go back in it, the charging lead. To shut the tailgate, you push this button, push that button, tailgate shuts. That's it, by magic. The other side was your petrol. This is your type 1. So this is what you would use at home with your 3-pin plug, or your granny charger, whatever you want to call it. This one, this is a Chimido, which is the rapid charger. This is about 30 minutes to full. Push that shut. You have drinks holders there on that. Obviously this folds down if you'd want it down. So electric rear windows. 4 electric windows, electric folding mirrors, there. Electronic adjustable driver's seat. Here we have a traction control. Here. Heated steering wheel as well. You can turn your boot on and off from here. As long as you've got the key in with you, put your foot on the brake, push this button, starts. And you can see the car's done. Let's zoom into that. 33,450 miles. A sunroof, which is quite a nice extra. It has a deflector. You can push this button and it will vent. Illuminated vanity mirror. You can shut this blind if you don't want that open. That's nice to have that open. Quite an unusual extra, the sunroof. Quite a rare extra. Obviously this will be, the tyres will be sorted out. This is your charge, this is your battery, and this is the fuel. Turn that off. So if I put it into reverse, see, camera. Eco mode, so this changes different modes. Dual climate here. Park. So this, you can eject your disc. So have your disc there, your map there, and then to shut it, you push that, shuts again. This is your media, your phone information, loads of different settings in here, navigation, that button there, map, so many different options. Here, 4-wheel drive, battery save, charge mode, heated seats. This is your gear lever, there's your park brake there, and here you have this pocket which has USB. Got a USB there, 12-volt outlet there, so it's well spec to this vehicle. And to turn the vehicle off, you turn it off there. Automatic wipers, you can see that. You can see automatic lights as well. These are your regen. Basically, these control the regen, amount of regen you get. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice control, telephone. This is all your different buttons here to give, you know, the volume and all this sort of stuff here. Vehicle's turned off, so I can exit the vehicle. Traction control here. Any questions? Please give us a call.